In this video, we will show you what to do if Facebook keeps crashing on Google Pixel 4a. Popular apps like Facebook are being updated regularly to minimize issues. But when you use it on a daily basis, you will surely encounter an issue or two. Among the most common problems are the app crashes. That's when the app just stops working and closes by itself. If you have a problem like this, then here's what you should do. First solution: close Facebook and other apps. It's a possible app issue only, that's why the first thing you have to do is to close Facebook and all other apps running in the background. After that, try opening Facebook again to see if it still works. Here's how you do that on a Pixel 4a. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop at the middle. This will show you the apps that are still running in the background. Swipe up on Facebook to close it, and then do the same to other apps. After doing that, open Facebook again to see if it still crashes. Second solution: force restart your phone. It is also possible that such a problem is just due to a pretty minor firmware glitch that affected Facebook. So if the first solution fails, try doing the forced restart to see if it fixes the problem. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the power key for 8 seconds or more. This will force the phone to shut down and power back up. When the Google logo shows, release the power key and allow the phone to boot up successfully. After the restart, open Facebook and see if it still crashes. Third solution: clear the cache and data of Facebook app. Assuming that the first two solutions failed to make Facebook run normally again, the next thing you have to do is to reset the app itself. An app reset simply means to clear its cache and data files, because some of these files may have been corrupted. Android will replace them with a new set, and that might just fix the problem. Here's how you do that. Pull up the app drawer and look for the Facebook app. Tap and hold on its icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon. Tap storage and cache. Tap clear cache first. And then tap clear storage, and tap OK to confirm. Once you're done resetting the app, try opening it to see if it works perfectly now. Fourth solution: uninstall Facebook and reinstall it. If all else fails, then you have to remove the app completely from your device to also delete all its installation files. After that, download a fresh copy from the Play Store to make sure you're using the latest version. This procedure will fix any app-related problem, including this one. Here's how you do that. Pull up the app drawer and look for Facebook. Tap and hold on its icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon. Tap uninstall, and then tap OK to confirm. Once the app is successfully uninstalled, launch the Play Store. Search for Facebook, and then tap Install. Wait for it to be successfully installed, and then tap Open to launch it. That should do it. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or another. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.